हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल आर के आउटपुट। मैं राहुल कलंके आप सबका अपने चैनल आर के आउटपुट में स्वागत करता हूं। Let us pay attention, students. From many days we are discussing on the various topics of the science subject, but from some of the students, the suggestion was that we should go for the GK facts as well as some historical or the current events which are happening in our day-to-day life, which will be very important for the students those are preparing for the competitive exams. So साइंस के साथ ही हम ऐसे कुछ जीके फैक्ट्स और कुछ करंट अफेयर्स की बातें उन पर भी हम डिस्कशन करते जाएंगे। हाल में कुछ बातें जब होती है तो उसके बारे में भी हम उस पर भी वीडियो बनाया करेंगे। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट टुडेज टॉपिक, दैट इज स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी। Many of you all have visited the Statue of Unity. स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी जो कि गुजरात में स्थित है। कुछ सालों पहले ही उसका इनॉग्रेशन हुआ था। ऑनरेबल नरेंद्र जी मोदी का ये एक ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट रहा था, जिसमें कि विश्व की सबसे बड़ी प्रतिमा, मतलब जिसे हम कहेंगे कि द वर्ल्ड्स बिगेस्ट और वी कैन से द लार्जेस्ट statue was designed in India, and it was completed in India, that is in Gujarat, and we will start with this Statue of Unity. So let us see the Statue of Unity. It is a statue of the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India, as well as he was the Home Minister of the India. He is also known as the Iron Man, and at the same time, why this name is given as a unity? Because at the same time, when the Sardar Vallabhbhai was in a governance, so he prepared or he segregated the states as per their languages and all, and that's why we are known for the unity and diversity in the world, and that's the reason this unity word came from that side, and that's why the Statue of Unity, the name is given for this. So let us pay attention. Next one, where it is located. Where it is located, that part we have to discuss. It is located in the Sadhu Belt, that is near the Narmada River in Kevadia colony. Kevadia जो वहाँ का एक एरिया है, इस केवड़िया गांव के बाजू में ही ये वहाँ पर स्थित है, जो कि आपका नर्मदा डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन गुजरात, फेसिंग सरदार सरोवर डैम विच इज़ 100 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम दैट, एंड इट इज़ सिचुएटेड इन द गुजरात। गुजरात में अगर आप गए तो ये नर्मदा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में केवड़िया कॉलोनी जो एक पोर्शन है वहाँ का एक गाँव, उस गाँव के पास ही ये आपको देखने को मिलेगा। इट इज़ वन ऑफ द ह्यूज स्टैचू which can be visible from the long distance, बहुत दूर से भी ये दिखाई देता है आपको। After that, it was announced in 2010. 2010 में जैसे ही गुजरात सरकार में मोदी जी वहाँ पर चीफ मिनिस्टर हुआ करते थे, that time only it was decided that they will go for this largest statue in the world in Gujarat. So at that time it was given, this work is given, the designing was done, and it was prepared by the Mr. Ram Vanji Sutar. Okay, he is a Padma Bhushan awardee of the India, and he is a well known and very great sculptor in India. After that, it was construction. Actual construction, it was announced in 2010, but the actual construction was started in the 2013. This is one of the important point. ये important point रहेगा, this you have to remember over there. Construction कब start हुआ था? It was started in October 2013 by L&T company. Larson और Tubro जो अपनी construction company है, which is very famous in India and as well as in the foreign countries also. So it was done by this L&T company. L&T ये जो company है Larson and Tubro, उनकी तरफ से ये बनाया गया था। What was the cost at that time? The cost of this project was that is 2,989 crores. 2,989 crore was the price of this project. After that, it was inauguration. The inauguration was done by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and it was done at 31st October 2018. 2018 में इसका inauguration हुआ था, whereas it was on that day it was the 143rd anniversary of the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जी की 143 एनिवर्सरी जब थी, which the date you should know the date of this, that is 31st October 2018. So on that day it was inaugurated over there. The height, सबसे बड़ा पॉइंट जो होता है या फिर सबसे बड़ी रिमार्केबल जो अचीवमेंट है इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट की, that is the height of the statue. Here many of the times students are getting confused कि यहाँ पर हाइट कौन सी कंसिडर करनी है क्या. द स्टैचू की जो हाइट रहेगी दैट इज 182 मीटर्स. ओके, स्टैचू एक्चुअल स्टैचू पैरों से ऊपर तक का दैट इज 182, बट वेयर एज द बेस नीचे कुछ म्यूजियम तरीके से बनाया गया है, बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से बनाया गया है. तो म्यूजियम पकड़ के अगर आप काउंट करोगे, नीचे का जो बेस है बेसमेंट अगर आप पकड़ के काउंट करोगे तो इट विल बी 240 meters over there. I hope that today you all have enjoyed this video. Through this you will understood what are the key facts, or we can say which are the GK facts are present in the Statue of Unity. We have covered many of the part over there, when it was started, the construction was started, when it was completed, what was the cost, what is the height, why it was prepared, who prepared. This all things we already discussed over there. I hope that you all have understood this video. We will be back with the new video. Till then, like, share and subscribe our channel RK Output. Thank you very much.